Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Money. In today's tutorial, we're diving into Google's Vision API to see how AI can help us analyze images. Today, we're going to be developing a practical, simple NodeJS application that will analyze product images and determine if they're attractive to children. I recently posted a video where I share 10 ideas of how you can make money with AI vision. Check out the video if you haven't already. Whether you're a developer, a marketer, or just curious about AI tools, this video has got you covered. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech tutorials. Now let's get started. The very first step is to set up the Google Vision API. Let's do that. First, head over to Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.com. Create a new project or select an existing one and click on API and Services. Click on Library and search for Vision API. Click Cloud Vision API. Click Enable. Next, go to IAM and Administration. IAM and admin. Click service accounts. Create a new service account. Name your service account like children, product, packaging, analysis. Click create and continue. Assign the editor role. Click continue. This is optional. Click done. Click the three dots button and click manage keys and click add key. Click create a new key. Select JSON and click create. It's going to create the service key file and it will automatically download to your computer. So remember that our service account key file has been downloaded into our downloads folder. Next, we'll create a new folder. We'll call it Google Cloud Vision API. And we'll go ahead and copy the key file we downloaded from the downloads file. We'll paste it inside this folder. Now we'll open this folder with Visual Studio Code. npm install at Google Cloud /Vision. It's going to download and install the library for you. Create a new file, index.js. First, we'll import the Google Cloud Vision client library. Then we'll create a client. Here, we need to replace this with the service account key file. As you can see, we have already copied that into our project folder, and we just need to provide this path. The second step is to write the NodeJS code to analyze our product images. We'll write a function to analyze an image and determine if it's attractive to children. Here's the function. As you can see, it's an async function. It's got the try-catch block. We perform the label detection over here. Then we perform image properties detection. And we're particularly looking for dominant colors. Here we'll check for child attractive labels like toy, cartoon, game, animal, fun, colorful. Here we're checking for bright and vibrant colors. Here we're deciding if the image is attractive to children. If it has child-friendly labels or is colorful, then we console log the image is likely attractive to children and we return true. Else, we'll say the image is not particularly attractive to children and return false. In case there's an error, will display the error with a message saying error analyzing image.
And the third step is to run and test the program.
Now let's test this function with an image. We will need to replace this variable with the path to the image file. It could be anything on your local machine, like locally, it could be somewhere in the project folder, or you could also replace a path to an image on the internet. Let's choose this. Right click, open link in a new tab, and we'll get the link to this image. We'll go ahead and replace this with path to the image. We'll save this file, and now we can run this node index.js. We're getting an error message. Okay, so the error message, so I have two json.json file, which is not correct, right? It's saying no such file or directory. Is looking for json.json, which does not exist. It has only one extension. So I'll save this file, and then I'll try again. Node index.js. Okay, so now it's saying the image is likely attractive to children. Now let's try with a product image that isn't supposed to be attractive to children. So I'm trying with this. I'll copy the path to the image. Let's replace the path over here. Save this file and run the code again. All right, so it's saying the image is likely attractive to children, and it's not giving me the desired result. It's this image I know isn't supposed to be attractive to children. It's not having the brightest of the colors, but as you can see, the colors are a bit bright here. So I want to look for even more brighter colors, and I'm also going to adjust some of these parameters. So here I will change the color score from 0.2 to 0.3 and change the pixel fraction from 10% to 20%. So now it was just looking for 10% of the product image to be brighter colors. Now it's going to look for 20%. And so since this picture won't have those really bright colors and it's not filling up 20% of the product image, then it should give me like the response that I'm looking for. So let me run the code again. All right, so this time it's giving me the desired result. It's showing attracted to children as false, which is correct. This is not the kind of product packaging or product that is supposed to be attractive to children. I've gone ahead, created a GitHub repo at this URL. Just make sure to replace the service account key with your key in the index.js. I have instructions on how to run this code.
And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using Google Vision API for analyzing images. Check out the links in the description for source code and more resources. I have a video where I share 10 ideas of making money with AI Vision API. Check out the video if you haven't already. The link should pop up on the top left corner of the screen. This tool is powerful for marketers, developers, and anyone looking to integrate AI into their workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.